Hello, today we are solving Jan 2024 Unit 2 IAL paper. You are the Finance Director of POMOS PLC. You have to calculate a number of ratios for inclusion in the annual report to the shareholders. Information concerning the company and its performance for the financial year ended 31st December 2023 is as follows. It is given, okay. Here what is the information that is necessary for the shareholders to see, okay, they have been given here. Then for the first part A of the question, calculate the following ratios for the year ended 31st December 2023. You must state the formula in each of the calculation. So you are going to calculate certain ratios, okay, from which you can understand whether it will be a good investment or not. You can watch the videos in the accounting format, okay, given to understand the ratio concept, okay. I will give the link in the description box. Now first part is the calculate the following ratios for the year ended 31st December 2023. So all these ratio formulas you will have to know prior, okay. So first one is the dividend per share. What is the dividend per share issued by the company for the entire year, okay. So now the formula is what is the total ordinary dividend paid, the total amount of ordinary dividend paid to the shareholders. What is the total amount of shareholders, number of shareholders that exist in the company. So first one is the total ordinary dividend paid. It's going to be equal to, they have paid two types of dividend, okay. Here we can see they have paid interim dividend and they've also issued a final dividend. So the total dividend issued are these two. So you will add up these two, okay. This is the total dividend, okay, the ordinary dividend that is paid for the final year, okay. Now we can see that what is the interim dividend value, okay. The interim dividend value is 150 million, okay, 150,000 pounds plus the final ordinary dividend is given as 0.175 pounds per share. So we will see how many shares are there, okay. The total number of the shares is 60 million shares, okay. There are 60 million shares they have said here. So let's write 60 million, okay, million shares into, they are each is paid 0.0175 per share. So you will have to multiply that to get the total cost. So that is equal to 150 million plus 60 into 0.175 is going to be 1050,000 pounds. Now add up these two, that is going to be equal to 150,000 plus 1050,000, 1,002, 1 dividend per ordinary share, okay. And we have the number of shares issued, okay, issued ordinary share, total number of ordinary shares issued. So total number of ordinary shares is equal to 60 million shares. That is equal to 60 million shares. So now this is going to be equal to 1/200,000 divided by 60 million. So we will get, that is going to be equal to 0.02. So 0.02 pounds is the dividend